Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the lock has current firmware and enough battery. This prevents false triggers. Once done, open the companion app and go directly to Security then Body Detection to enable it. Make sure you grant camera and motion permissions so the sensor can analyze presence. Position the lock and clear nearby obstructions so the sensor has an unobstructed field of view. This helps the algorithm distinguish a person from objects and reduces false positives. Now you calibrate the sensor. Run the calibration routine and adjust sensitivity to a moderate level, typically 40 to 60, because higher values detect motion but increase false alarms. Next, create rules, set active hours, an auto-lock delay, and exclusion zones for pets or nearby roads. Connect the feature with your phone's geofence and any home hub so actions are conditional. For example, don't unlock unless your phone is present. Test several approaches and refine settings until detection matches real-world behavior. Finish by running 5 real-world tests at varied distances and angles to confirm reliable detection. Once satisfied, save settings, enable event logging, and schedule automatic updates to keep the detection model current. Monitor logs for repeated false triggers and adjust rules as needed. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Lower sensitivity and slightly reposition the sensor toward human traffic. Also verify app permissions and restart the lock. This resolves most false positive and misdetection problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.